everybody. Well, this is Terri with Terri's Travels. Today is going to be a wonderful day. I'm so excited. I don't have but about 2 days before I leave for my women's meetup in Pensacola. And so I'm packing my van today and getting things ready, and because I don't want to leave anything. I'm so excited about being able to use my pop-up tent, my pop-up canopy tent. And I bought some weights and things for that. And I'm just so excited to be able to get to my campsite and be able to get it up and this is going to be a whole new experience for me, y'all. So I don't really know what to expect other than I'm going to have a really good time. But anyway, for today, the video for today is just that I am packing, and I thought I'd bring y'all along with me. So y'all come on and hang out with me and help me pack. And I'm going to load up my moped, or not my moped. I won't load my moped today, but I am going to take my moped. So I do need to get everything set up for that. So load my trailer for that. So anyway, y'all come with me. It's going to be a great day. And so let's get started. Well, I bought these screens for my windows, and actually I'm really proud of these. I didn't know that they would do as well as they are. Here's the other one. They fit really well, and right here, I've got the window down with this one right here. This is going to be nice because then I can let my windows down and get a nice breeze and not worry about bugs and things like that coming in on me. And I really wanted these before I go to Pensacola. I think these are going to work out really well for the van. So, and make my life a whole lot more comfortable, you know. So, but here's my Crown Shades canopy tent. Y'all, I'm so proud of this thing. I know I showed it to you in my last video, but I love the fact that it has wheels on it. I'm very, very proud of that. I went on and slid it on in here. But yeah, the canopy came with one wall, and so I tried to order 2 more of the walls for the sides, and I wasn't able to order but one more. That they didn't have 2 in stock, so I'm going to try to order the last one that I want here in the next day or 2. But anyway, those walls are right here inside this little pocket right here. I've got my inside chair and my outside chair for whenever I get down there. And also, I think I'm going to add a couple of tarps. I feel like I need to bring some tarps with me. But right now, this is kind of what I got going on with my setup. So, and hopefully in the spring, I think I'm going to get rid of these because they're nice, but there's just not a whole lot of room in them to put the things that I need. I've got like some collapsible cubes in my bathroom, and they really do look nice, but they're for storage. But I think I'm going to buy some of those for the van, and because they're tall. I mean, the drawers are a lot taller. That way I feel like I can stack more in those. So but that's not going to happen probably until spring. And but yeah, I think I am doing really well right now at this point. I think I'm going to put my clothes and everything up front with me. And then whenever I get where I'm going, I'll take my canopy out and set it up. And I'll take this out and set it under my canopy, my chair. And then also I'm bringing my moped, y'all. So I'm going to go on and put my my little trailer. I'm going to go on and connect it today too. So all I've got to do is pull my moped up on it, and I'll be ready to go on that. Well, I've got my trailer hooked on to my hitch, so I'm really happy about that. And this little step stool, I bought it, oh golly, a few months back from just like the Dollar Tree or whatever. But look, it helps me. I set it up there, and until I could get it stable on the hitch, this thing worked out really, really well for me because, like I said, I'm not very strong. But to have something to set this trailer on until I can get it actually hooked up, man, that worked out really, really well. This thing right here, what it does is it collapses. Let me see if I can get it out. See, it's just a collapsible. Let me get it like that. See, it just collapses. And what I do is I slide it right up under my bed back there. That's where I got it from. So I'm going to stick it back there. And also, I was going to tell y'all, I think this is going to be a really good place for these weights to stay because they're out of the way. When I'm not using them, I can just put them right, stow them away right there. And I think that's where their home is going to be for a little while until I rearrange again. You know how it is. Also, I can see a new dolly in my foreseeable future. This thing has been handy, but oh, goodness gracious, I need something a little bit more stable, I guess you would say, because getting it, that doesn't look very far away, but getting it from there to here and then getting it on up on the concrete to my hitch, it could have been a little bit easier than what it was. That was a lot light work, y'all. Well, I wanted to show y'all. So this right here it's a collapsible like little basket. This is it folded up, but this is what I keep like all of my cameras and my anything that I might need that I need to use to do my videos with. I've got my GoPro in there, my DJI. I've got a gimbal here for my phone if I want to use my phone. Just things like that. I've got it all packed in here, and this fits really nicely. It's small. I'll put that up in the front seat with me so I can kind of keep an eye on it because this stuff is precious to me. So, but yeah, that's what I do with this stuff right here. And look, like I said, the basket is collapsible, so that's nice. If you don't need it, you can just fold it up and shove it in a little corner somewhere. It doesn't take up any room. Oh, hi, Oliver. Hi, man. Okay, so let's see. This is where I was going to tell y'all, these cubes right here, these packing cubes, they are the best things. They keep everything organized. I don't usually bring that many clothes with me. This is full. But the weather is going to be so up and down. It's going to be cold at night. It's going to be cool in the mornings. It's going to be hot during the daytime. So I just brought sweats. I brought sweatshirts, long sleeve shirts, shorts, t-shirts. I just brought it all so that I would have it. And then in this bin right here, I have my shoes, my flip-flops, my sandals, some couple pairs of tennis shoes. So I have those ready. But so that's how I'm packing. And I'm gonna put all that in the floor, and then I'm gonna put my camera and stuff right here. But I was gonna tell y'all, I bought this little crossbody bag at Universal Studios when I was there a few weeks back. This has been the best little bag. It looks small, but man, when I tell you it's got several compartments in it. I love this bag. So I'm taking it with me too. So I do have another crossbody bag over there that I can take with me. But this is black, and if it gets dirty, then I can stick it in the wash, and just wash it and hang it to dry. So that's nice. But I was going to show y'all what I found. Look. It's a bird's nest. Isn't that cute? I mean, it's perfectly round. Things like this amaze me, and I just think they're so pretty. I think it came out of that tree right there because I found it not far from this tree. But yeah, isn't that pretty? Isn't that sweet? That's amazing to me. So I'm curious. Right now it's running in this morning it was like in the mid 30s, but today the high was like 70. And you can see the trees are still green. The trees are beginning to turn here. So, but what is the temperature like where you live? I know that Mississippi really does stay a lot warmer because we're in the South, but I'm just curious, where do you live? What are the temperatures where you live? I know my sister lives in Colorado and it is cold there. So y'all leave me some comments. I'm curious. Okay, I think I've got my van packed up for the most part. There's a few things I got to load my moped, of course, and I've got to ice down my cooler and put my food and stuff in there. I'm gonna bring some extra drinks, and I am so excited. I have a checklist, and I check everything off, make sure I've got everything I need. Y'all, this women's meetup is going to be a whole lot of fun, and it's like I said, this is my first one, so I'm excited to see what it's all about. I love Florida, so I'm so glad to be going to Pensacola. I'm gonna get to meet my friend Wanda in person for the first time. That's exciting. So it's gonna be. I think we're gonna have a great time over the weekend, or the next, well, from Thursday until Monday. So it's going to be a good time. So y'all be sure and y'all tune in, and please like and subscribe. If you'll hit the notification bell, it'll make you aware of my future uploads, and that way y'all can watch the camping trip. And I'm going to do a whole lot of video in there. So I plan on doing a video on just the park itself, and then hopefully some of the ladies will let me do, video the insides of their vans to show you how they've got their setups done, and then just hanging out, just having a good time. So, but anyway, y'all come join me. Y'all stay tuned in, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.